Every single day, thousands of Nigerian and African people lose money in crypto. Not because crypto is a scam, not because the market is against them, but simply because nobody taught them the basic before they started. Today, everything will change. In this video, I'm going to take you from absolutely zero, someone who has never brought a single coin in their life, to someone who genuinely understands what crypto trading is, how it works, and how to take their very first step safely as a Nigerian and African. No jargons at all, no confusion technical language, just clear, honest teaching built specifically for Nigeria. If you ever wanted to learn crypto trading but did not know where to start, this is the video. Stay with me. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time when you go to my channel, we teach crypto trading specifically for Nigerian and Africans who are serious about understanding this market properly. Before we dive in, I want to say one important thing. Everything I teach on this channel is for educational purpose only. Crypto trading involves great financial risk. You should never trade with money you can never afford to lose. I will always be honest with you about both the opportunity and the risk, because this is what you deserve. Now let's go into it. If this is your first time, subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let's go.
Welcome. The first question every beginner asks is, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Now look at the screen. What are you seeing here? Right now I'm on CoinGecko.com, one of the best free websites for tracking cryptocurrency prices. And what you can see is there are thousands of different cryptocurrency in existing today. If you look at this place, you see the global cryptocurrency market cap today is $2.32 trillion. That is 2.2% change in the past 24 hours here. And this is the total market cap of cryptocurrency. This is the 24 hours trading volumes of the cryptocurrency. But let me start with the simple explanation. What is cryptocurrency is? This is the digital money. It only exists on the internet. There are no physical coins or notes. It lives entirely in a computer network called blockchains. Unlike the Naira, which is controlled by the Central Bank of Nigeria, crypto is controlled by nobody, no government, no bank, no single person. It's run on a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a digital record book that thousands of computers around the world maintain simultaneously. This means nobody can freeze your crypto accounts the way a bank can freeze your Naira accounts. Nobody can print more Bitcoin the way the central bank can print more Naira. And nobody can stop you from sending crypto to anyone in the world, except if you give your account to a scammer or the login to suspicious link. So this is why Bitcoin or crypto has become as important in Nigeria specifically, or in Africa, or globally the world, with Naira devolution, with central bank restriction on dollar access. With the difficulties of receiving international payments, crypto solves real problems that affects millions of Nigerians every single day. Now, as you can see on this screen, this is what we call a Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever created. It was invented in 2009 by mysterious person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. So nobody knows who Satoshi really is up to today. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of only 21 million coins that will ever exist. This scarcity, the fact that there will never be more than 21 Bitcoin, is one of the main reasons it has value compared to the Naira, where the central bank can print unlimited amounts. So below you can see Bitcoin, below you can see Bitcoin, below you can see Ethereum, below you can see Tether, which is USDT, below you can see all the remaining coins too. On the it's also the platform where developer can build application. This place where you see, because Ethereum is different from Bitcoin because it is not just digital money. So most of the existing crypto projects you hear about are built under Ethereum. Most of some projects were built under Ethereum. Most of some projects were built under Solana. So I will explain better when we reach to that level. But then below that you have what we call altcoins. If you look at them, you will see a lot of coins. This is 1,000. We call all this one altcoin or altcoin. They are alternative coins, thousands of them. Each of them has different purpose, different technology, different risk level. But as a beginner, your focus must be entirely on Bitcoin On this one, let me say BNB2. So do not let anyone confuse you to put your money into unknown altcoin, because before you understand the basics, that is one of the fastest way to lose everything. Let me go to part 4, which is the difference between investing and trading. Follow me. Below, this is investing, this is investment. Below is an investment. The only thing you can do on investments is holding. But before we go further, I need to explain something that confuses every Nigerian beginners. The difference between crypto investing and crypto trading. Firstly, there are two completely different things, and mixing them up in one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Crypto investing, as you are seeing in this place, it means buy a coin, usually Bitcoin or Ethereum or any coin, and hold it for a long time, month or year. You believe the price will be higher in the future than it is today. So you simply hold and wait. This is the sometimes called holding in the crypto community. The only thing you can do here is holding for the long time. That is the only way you can make money on investments. It is good strategy for beginner because it's you have lower risk and then lower gain, but it's good for the beginner to start. The second thing is that you can make money from going up, unlike this place which is called trading. Investment, the only way you can make money is when it go up, and the only way you can do that one is buy when the crypto market is coming down or when it's deep. Sometimes we teach about the DCA, which is the centralized custody, but as a new beginner you will see it on phase 2 of this video. This crypto trading, this means you are actively buying. This one means you are actively buying and selling coins, trying to profit from short-term price movements. You might buy Bitcoin today because you think the price will go up in the next few hours or days, then sell it when it's dropped down to take the profit. The trading is typically more difficult than investing. As you can see, this one is highly difficult than this one because professional traders with years of experience still lose money regularly. If you are trading with this place where you can see this one is pure price action trading, where you can see the going up bullish and then the bearish. This is significantly more difficult than investing because professional traders with years of experience still lose money regularly. Studies consistently show that the majority of the traders, meaning ordinary people like us, lose money when they trade actively. But I'm telling you this not to discourage you, but to give you the honest foundation that most people never get. Understanding the risk is what separates the traders who survive and eventually profits from the one who blew their accounts in the first months. But on these channels, we are going to learn trading properly, with discipline, with risk management, and with a realistic expectation, not get rich quick, not guarantee profits, real education that gives you genuinely chance to become profitable traders. This is the part of investment and trading. Now let's go to how to buy crypto in this country. Now let us get practical. The first thing every Nigerian needs to understand is how actually this crypto works in this Nigeria. So let's come to Bybit. This is the interface of Bybit. The Bybit, this is one of the largest world cryptocurrency exchange, and it is the most widely used platform among the Nigerian crypto traders. I recommend this Bybit for Nigerian beginners for 3 main reasons. The first one is it supports Nigerian naira through P2P trading, which I will explain in a moment or second now. It has a wide range of coins available. Third, it has strong security and has been operating for years. Now you will notice that Bybit does not allow direct bank transfer from Nigerian banks due to CBN restriction. This is where P2P trading comes in, and it is something every Nigerian crypto must understand. Now let's go to the crypto section. Let's go to the P2P section. Now this is the P2P. P2P stands for peer-to-peer. Instead of buying crypto directly from Binance or from Bybit rather, you are buying it from another person, another Nigerian from another person who already has crypto and want to sell it to Naira. Now let's think of it like GG or marketplace. Bybit acts as the middleman that hold the crypto safely while the transaction happens. You transfer Naira to the seller bank account. Once they confirm they receive your Naira, Bybit release the crypto to your wallet. If anything goes wrong, Bybit acts a dispute system to protect you. This is the safest and most common way Nigerians buy crypto today. I will do a complete dedicated video walking you through your first P2P purchase step by step. Follow now, just understand that this is how it works. Now, let's go back to CoinGecko and teach you what is USDT. This is Bybit. Okay, on our way to CoinGecko, firstly, before you start trading, there is one coin you absolutely must understand as a Nigerian. We call it USDT. USDT stands for Theta, and it is what we call a stablecoin. Look at the price charts. Here, compared to Bitcoin, while Bitcoin moves up and down dramatically, USDT stay almost exactly as US dollar at all times. It is designed to maintain a stable value of $1 permanently, which is this so important for Nigerians specifically because USDT gives you a way to hold US dollar inside the crypto system without needing a domiciliary account or Central Bank of Nigeria approval. When the naira is falling and you want to protect your savings from devaluation, converting your naira to USDT on Bybit P2P means your money is now effectively in dollar. Now, protecting from naira inflation while sitting in your crypto. Most Nigerian crypto traders keep their fund in USDT when they are not actively in the trade. It is your safe harbor. Your holding currency, the base from which you enter and exit. When people say there is any profit from a trade, they actually means they have more USDT. Now they are stunned with it. This is what usually sticks. If you want to buy any coin on Bybit, I will advise you to buy USDT. If you buy USDT, you will now convert it to wherever you want to go. It's either future trading or spot trading. We will soon reach there. Just stay with me here. This place, I will introduce what to chart is with you. Now, let's go to what we call trading view. Now we are getting into the heart of trading, which reading charts. This is the trading views, the best free charting platform in the world and the one used by professional traders globally. Bookmark this website right now because you will be spending a lot of time here. What you are looking at is the Bitcoin price charts. This one is XPL chart right now. The specific chart is called XPL USDT.P. Anytime you come here, you have to put .P. This means you are looking for perpetual trading, which means future trading. But if you are looking for only spot trading, you don't need to put .P there. You will just charge only the crypto and then the pair you want to trade. So what are you looking at is the price of the chart, which is price of XPL. This specifically chart is called XPS plus USDC, meaning the price of XPL is measured in USDT dollar. I know this can look overwhelming at first. All this line you are seeing, all this line you are seeing, I know this can look overwhelming. This color bar, this number everywhere, I promise you that by the end of this section, it will start to make sense. Let us start from the very basics. The color bars you see on the charts are candle. This green, this red, this green, this red, they are all called candle. I'm coming. Let me put demonstration here. All these things you are seeing, we are calling them candle. This green, this red, as you can see, so we are calling candle. And all these things that you see coming down, we have the name, we are calling it in cryptocurrency. Just stay with me. The color you see there is each candlestick represent the price movements of XPS during a specific period of time. Look at the bottom of this. You can see we have different times here, and this place we have different time frames. Option. Right now we are only on this 1 hour time frame, which means all the candle you see, this is how they perform during 1 hour, after 1 hour. This is how they perform after 1 hour, after 1 hour. Every single candle tell you the pieces of information about that day. Firstly is the open prices. What was XPL worth when that day started? The closing price, what was XPL worth after the 1 hour? And then the higher price is the highest point SPL reached during that day. The lowest price, what is the lowest point SPL reached during this day? Now look at the color. This green candle you are seeing here, means the price went up during that period. The closing price was higher than the opening price. This red candle you are seeing here, means the price went down. The closing price was lower than the opening prices, as you can see. So many red candle in a row means it was going down. This is where absolute foundation of the reading any trading chart. And when this thing is coming down, you all know that the market is already on down trend. Because we have two things in the market. We have uptrend, we have downtrend. Anytime you see the market that is coming down like this, a downtrend, it's a high risk for you to enter the market like that without no proper strategy. And anytime you see the market going up like this, you see what happened from here to here. That time we are calling it uptrend line. It's harder for you to enter for short trade at that moment without no proper risk management and proper strategy. Now let's go. What I will teach you here is what we call support and the resistance, because I want to show you the two important concepts in all the trading, which is support and resistance. Now look at this area of the chart here. You can see, look at these places. You can see that the price keeps coming down. So roughly this is the level, and then it bouncing back up. As you can see from here, the price come down to this level. It's even go up to this level and started coming down again. So now what is going on? At this level, the price end at this point, we are calling it support level. Just look at this area very well. Now, if you look up here, you can see the price keep rising roughly this area and then falling back down. If you see from here, you could see the price move up. It's moved up before it's coming down back. But when the price touch here, when it's touched this candle, what happened? It's come down back. This is trending back down. It is there and is an invisible ceiling that keeps stopping the price from going higher. This is called resistance level. I'm coming. Let me bring another horizontal line to explain. This is what is called support level. How we can even identify when the price touch here, it bounce up. When it's touch here, it bounce up. This is support level. This place is like a ceiling, while this place is like floor. Because when the price touch here, it come down. When it's touch here again, it's come down. This place we call it resistance. It's just like ceiling. When something reached here, it will come down. This place is just like floor. When something is there, it will stop or bounce up. But in terms of the coin to be breakdown is either support or resistance. It's either resistance or support. If coin break down this place, we call it breakout. If it's break down this place, we call it breakdown. Now, support is a price level where buying pressure is strong enough to keep the price from falling. As I said here, there are two concepts. We have support and resistance at the foundation of almost every trading decision. When you understand where support and resistance level on the chart, you started to understand where prices are likely to pass. Because where to consider entering a trade and where to set up your stop loss. Now we will go much deeper into support and resistance in a dedicated video. For now, just understand what they are and start training your eyes to spot them on the charts. Now let's go back to what I will give you as a home assignment today, which is risk management. This is the most important section. Now this is the most important section. I need to talk to you about something that most people skip over when they are exciting about trading. See, risk management, and I'm putting this in the beginner video because it is the most important than any chart pattern, any strategy or any indicator. Risk management is the system you can use to make sure that no single trade can destroy your account. Let me give you a practical example using Naira. So you have like 100,000 Naira. You have like 100,000 Naira. Let's go to notes so that you can understand better. Okay, let's say you have like 100,000 Naira to trade. The rule that most professional traders follow is never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account or any single trade. So 2% of 100,000 Naira is 2,000 Naira. 2% is 2,000 Naira. I think you know that one. 2% is 2,000 Naira, as you can see. It's 2,000 Naira. It's 2,000 Naira. It's 2,000 Naira. This in a row. That is 20,000 Naira. That means you still have 80,000 Naira in your accounts. But if you reach 20,000 Naira per trade and you have that at least losing streaks of 10 trades, that means you have lost your entire account. That is game over. You blown account. Now there is no coming back again. This is why most African people blow their accounts within the first few months. Not because crypto is a scam, but because they had no risk management. They put everything into one trading, hoping to get rich quickly and lose everything. But promise me, and more importantly, promise yourself that before you place a single real trade, you will understand and apply risk management. I will do a complete dedicated video on this topic going deeper, but please absorb this basic concept today. Now, let's go back and understand what you need so that what do you actually need to start your crypto trading today in Africa or anywhere you are. Let me give you the next simple things. Firstly, a Binance or a Bybit account. This is your exchange where you buy, sell and trade crypto. Go to Binance.com, go to Bybit.com and create a free account. You will need your BVN and a valid ID card of verification. Let's say you go to Bybit. This video, you will see my link there to Bybit. The important thing I will advise you is to use my link to register or use my referral code to register. What is the reason why? If you use my link or my referral code to register on Bybit, if you lose any trade as a beginners, they will give you $50 as a commission. The reason is that you use my referral link. First thing, because this Binance account, this is your first exchange you buy, sell and trade crypto. So just come to Bybit.com. As you can see, all you need is your BVN and a valid ID for verification. But I will do a step-by-step account creation video shortly for you. Just stay with me. The second you will need is this, which we call the trading view. So you just have to create a free account here. This place, you don't need your BVN or anything. You just have to create an account, and then there is a free version here. As everything a beginner needs. This is where you still study charts and develop your trading skills and analysis. The third one is stating capital. Here is the honest truth about how much money you need to start. You do not need a large amount to learn. In fact, I can recommend starting with an amount you are completely comfortable losing entirely, because in the learning phase, losses will happen for most Nigerians, because somewhere between 20,000 and 50,000 naira is a reasonable starting point. Do not take a loan to trade crypto. Do not use your rent money nor feeding money. Only use money that losing will not destroy your life. The first one I will give you guys is patience and commitment to learning. This is actually the most important requirement and the one most people underestimated. Becoming a profitable trader takes time. It takes studying charts, make mistakes, learning from those mistakes, and gradually improve. There are no shortcuts. Anyone who promises you guaranteed profit or a strategy that never loses is lying to you. In fact, a professional trader in the world hits stop loss steadily. Now, on these channels, we are going to take this journey together step by step. Here is what is coming in the next video ahead. In the next video, I will walk through creating your Bybit account firstly, step by step, and making your first P2P purchase of USDT. After that, we will go deep into reading charts, candlestick time frame, trends, and pattern, explained in the simplest possible way. But then we will cover support and resistance in details, how to identify these levels and how to use them in your trading decision. Well, we will cover the trading strategy too. So everything we are going to do here. So let us summarize what we cover. Firstly, cryptocurrency is digital money that runs on blockchain technology with no central authorities controlling it. Bitcoin is the original and the largest cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the second one. USDT is the stable coin, and Nigerian traders used to hold value to dollar within the crypto system. The difference between investment and trading, we have already explained that one. Investment means hold for months and years. Trader buys and sell in a shorter time frame, trying to profit from price movement. This is what we learn today, and we learn how to buy crypto primarily through Bybit P2P, buying directly from other Nigerians using Naira bank transfer. We explain the chart show price history through candlestick. Green movement, price went up. Red movement, price went down. Support is a price floor, while resistance is a price ceiling. And most important thing is the risk management. This is the foundation of everything. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade. Protect your capital first. Profits will follow wire from discipline, not from gambling. If this video helped you, please share it to someone in Africa who is trying to learn crypto trading. You might just save them from making expensive beginner mistakes. And subscribe to this channel, because every week we are going deep into everything you need to know to trade crypto properly as an African. The next video is coming soon, and we are going to walk you through settings by Bybit account for complete scrap. See you there.